I'm going to try to make money posting tweets on X for 90 days. I'll be going over the process of planning to replying to posting, with people reportedly making hundreds, thousands, and even $10,000. Let's see how much money I can make. To start earning money on X, you need to have a premium account, have at least 5 million organic impressions within the last 3 months, and have at least 500 followers. The strategy to get to 500 followers fast is to participate in follow-for-follow threads like this one. Simply introduce yourself and follow others that replied to the thread. Since I already have more than 500 followers and a premium subscription, the only requirement I have left is to get to 5 million organic impressions. To get there, my plan is to reply to as many large accounts as possible. This is because impressions from your replies will count towards monetization. A lot of people are unaware of this because it's not stated in the help center. On the first day, I followed a bunch of large accounts like Crazy Clips Only, On a Kang, and No Context Humans. Then, I made sure that I turn on post notifications for these accounts so that I can reply to their tweets instantly. This is because the earlier you reply to a tweet, the more visibility you'll get. The second step is to wait for these large accounts to post. Once they've posted a tweet, you'll receive a notification on your phone. The goal is to reply to their tweets as fast as possible with something relatable, funny, or witty. Here's one of my replies that got over 300,000 impressions. The video was a guy jumping off a dangerous cliff, nearly unaliving himself in the process. I replied with a photo of Joe Swanson with the caption, "The guy after," because he probably broke both of his legs. The reply got over 370,000 views and more than 4,000 likes because it was funny and related to the topic of the video. It's also worth noting that I posted this reply 1 minute after the original tweet so that it will have the maximum visibility. Another tweet contained a video of a baby holding onto a pull-up bar. I replied with a photo of a ripped Chinese toddler with the caption, "The baby 2 years later." The reply got over 150,000 impressions and more than 3,500 likes. This tweet was a meme showing how video quality has deteriorated over the years. I replied with a high quality picture of the donkey from Shrek with the caption 720p in 2000. It got over 120,000 impressions and more than 4,000 likes. And Wokeness posted a comparison of the beauty pageants from the USA and Poland. I replied with the photo of Gorlok the Destroyer with the caption USA's next beauty pageant, and it got over 30,000 impressions. And for the final example, Everything Out of Context posted a meme of Filipino names. I replied colonialism side effect and got over 80,000 impressions. By using this strategy, I managed to hit 1 million impressions on day 5, 2 million impressions on day 6, 3 million impressions on day 7, 4 million impressions on day 8, and finally 5 million impressions on day 9. This means that I've successfully hit the requirements for getting monetized on X in just 9 days. This blew way past my expectations because I thought I'll only hit 5 billion impressions after a month or two. On average, I spend about 3.5 hours per day posting and replying to tweets, which sums up to about 31.5 hours of work. Just when I hit 5 million impressions, something unexpected happened. I was shadowbanned on X. What happened was that all of my new and old replies were deboosted and marked as offensive content. As a result, my reply impressions went from 1 million a day to almost 0. I also knew that I was shadowbanned because when I used a secondary account to view my main account's replies, they were hidden under additional replies. I'm not exactly sure what triggered it, but my guess is that I've replied to too many tweets in one go. Fortunately, I was already eligible for the revenue sharing program, so I didn't have to reply to any more tweets. The shadow ban on my account lasted for 72 hours before it was automatically lifted. So if you're thinking about using this strategy to get to 5 million impressions, my advice would be to stop spamming replies and don't include inappropriate content in them. It's also worth noting that X does not pay you for engagement in your replies. It only pays you for engagement with your posts from premium users. In other words, you'll only get paid if you post a tweet and a premium user engages with it. X is still not fully transparent with how creators get paid, so I'll refer to Alex Finn's tweet for this. Once you're accepted into the revenue sharing program, you'll get paid for high quality engagement from premium accounts on your tweets. This includes likes, reposts, replies, bookmarks, and time on content. Because of this, simply replying to tweets will only qualify you for the ad revenue sharing program. However, if you want to earn money from it, you need to post high quality tweets. First of all, you need to choose a niche or a mixture of similar niches. Personally, I mainly tweet about SEO, affiliate marketing, and YouTube. My most popular tweet is an educational thread of YouTubers to subscribe to learn about these skills that got over 100,000 impressions. My other popular tweets include personal achievements or milestones, like hitting 2 million monthly visitors on my blog. I also have a content format where I used to post an SEO tip every week that helped me to gain the majority of my followers. For scheduling, I recommend posting at least once per day. Avoid posting too much because it might hurt your engagement instead of improve it. Some examples of tweets that get the most engagement are questions, achievements, educational content, breaking news, and things in general that people will find interesting. Once I met the eligibility for the Creator Revenue Sharing Program, I needed to complete 2 steps to receive payouts. The first step was to create a Stripe account and connect it to my X account. The second step was to verify my identity by uploading pictures of my ID and taking a selfie video of myself. After I've completed both of these steps, I was accepted into the program. Payouts are calculated based on engagement from premium users with your posts on X. They are currently processed every 2 weeks and the minimum payout is $10. However, if you happen to miss the minimum payout, you will receive any unpaid balance for up to 90 days as soon as you meet the requirements. According to the Creator Revenue Sharing terms, accounts that fall below the 5 million impressions threshold will not be kicked out of the program. This means that even if you didn't manage to hit 5 million impressions in the last 90 days, you will still remain in the program. It's now time for the review. After replying to an endless number of tweets for 9 days and posting tweets for 90 days, I made a grand total of $16.17. X Premium costs $8 per month. I'm currently paying for the annual subscription, which costs $84 per year. This brings my net income for this challenge to a negative $67.83. So, is the Creator Revenue Sharing Program worth it? After spending more than 31 hours replying to tweets and only earning a mere $16, it should be obvious that the program is not worth it. However, my intention for starting the challenge is not to make a living out of it. Instead, my goal is to be monetized indefinitely, so posting on X would be more of an incentive. Like I mentioned earlier, once you're accepted into the program, you won't be kicked out of it, even if you didn't maintain 5 million impressions in the last 90 days. With that being said, if your goal is to make a living on X, your tweets need to consistently go viral, which is not an easy feat. Unless you have 2 to 3 hours to spare on a daily basis, I suggest sticking to the free version of X and not try to monetize your account with Creator Revenue Sharing. Instead, I suggest using X to market your product or service, like promoting a business or selling a digital product. This is because you can make way more doing that as compared to the revenue sharing program if you are able to execute it well.